Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 112 of Building the Tumbler. In this issue, we're just prepping one of the rear wheels. I just noticed they're very different style to the front wheels, aren't they? They're much chunkier. But yeah, so let's flick through the magazine first. The gaming sensation. Then going to video games, this is Arkham Asylum. Yeah, that was quite good. I did quite enjoy that. There we go. Sort of a Tumbler-esque. That would be an Arkham Knight. Yeah. Joker versus the Riddler versus they're gonna again be not on the same side. Just because they're both evil doesn't mean to say they're friends. There we go. Yes, there we go. It's fun. Ow. Doesn't look fun to me. So there we go. This is what we've got. We've got the inner, like the hubcap type things, or the hubs. They go in, that goes in. You don't need 3 pages of instructions to tell you how to do that, but there we go. That's that. There are 4 screws to hold it in place around the outside, not the ones in the middle. Ones in the middle will do something else at some point. But for now, that's what we need to attach. We'll do that in just a sec. So we've got our huge tyre. We've got our bag of screws. Let's get 4 of those out. Keep 1 spare. You can see where they're going. They're going on the bits around the outside there to that. So we've got to pop that in there with our little valve for pumping it up. It's going to need more than that and that. So this just has the sockets for that to go into. So line that up with those. Just about like that. Come on. And that should line up. Now, you see, I've got that the wrong way round because the 5 holes are not lining up. So let's rotate that around 1/4. See if that makes a difference. I can't be doing the maths to figure out. No, that's still not right. So I set it around 1 more time. I don't know if that's right or not. I can't quite tell. No, that's still not right. So it must be the 4th time lucky. Yeah, there we go. With that lined up that way round, all of the holes line up. So make sure you get it that way round. So let's get one of these in to make sure it can't escape. Don't think that is in. No. But let's leave that there and try one the other side anyway. That feels better. I feel like that's actually lined up. Although, again, I could be wrong. For what should be a very, very easy part of the build, this is proving to be somewhat interesting. Let's try that again. I think it needs to be in a little bit further. So it's got to be under a bit of pressure to get that in the right place. There is actually a mark there telling you where to line it up. If I'd have read the instructions, I might have found that and found it first time rather than having to go round and round and round. Right, so that's not locating in there. Should it be the other way around? I don't think it makes a difference. I don't think it makes a difference either way. Let's get that lined up the right way around there again. Now, I think there just needs to be a certain level of squidge to get them closer together. So that will actually bite. I can feel it just about catching. So I need to put a bit more pressure on that. Get it in at least a turn. There we go. So that's got that one in. So then it's just a case of getting all the others in. So I'm going to do the one on the opposite side as well, if I can. Although that's the one with the valve on it, so I don't want to catch that. There we go. So yeah, that's that. Let's get the other two in and then go around and tighten them all up. These two should go in fairly easy. If the opposite sides are already squidged together, then the middle bits have got to be squidged together, haven't they? That's the way physics works, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. That's biting in there first time. And the last one will go in there. So that is it. Another issue done, and indeed another pack done. The first issue in the next pack is another blue and grape tyre. So I'm assuming it's just going to be do nothing, because there's nothing else we can do yet, is there? Nothing else to attach or do anything with. So we're obviously getting another tyre, and then it will be the fitting pieces for that tyre. And this being the outside tyre, we can't actually fit it yet, because we're going to have to do the inside tyre first. So I don't know if the one next time is another outer tyre. What does it say? It says the right outer rear wheel. So again, we're doing the outsides, and then we'll do the insides afterwards. So there we go. One tyre done. I shall put that with the model and put it away for another month until the next pack turns up. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying the build. Do let me know what you think, and I'll see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.